Good morning, crafty peeps. I'm so excited to be doing this Disney YouTube hop with our hostess with the mostest, Rosa Kelly, with Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking. So you definitely want to check out her YouTube channel and all the other fabulous designers that are going to be designing with us. I know that Debbie Adams is one, and I think that Pear Tree Treasures, Monica Partridge is going to be one of them. I just know we have a whole lot of them in here. So anyway, I'm so excited to get started with this. So I decided to do a easel card. It is my son's, I guess, stepbrother's birthday. And I know that he loves Mickey Mouse. So we're going to go ahead and create a Mickey Mouse card. And I wanted to do an easel card. So I know you all are familiar with easel cards, but I thought I would just share my tutorial with you. So first of all, I'm going to be using A Day at the Park by Color Play and Photo Play. They are the same company. As you all know, I am an educator for them. And since this is Disney theme, why not go with Mickey Mouse? So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. First of all, I'm going to be using this one called Oh Boy. And I also did pre-cut some paper. Hold on one second. Let me see. Here it is. I pre-cut it and pre-scored it just so that I could be a little bit ahead of myself for once. Okay. So I used 8.5 by 11 paper, and you'll need 2 of them. So this is 5 inches by 10 inches, and you're going to score at 2.5 and 5 inches, and then fold on the score lines, right? So that it looks something like this little tent, okay? Then you're going to need a 5 by 5 piece of paper. I just used a basic craft cardstock from Michaels. And also a piece of craft paper that's 5 inches by 2 inches. Okay, and I'm going to be doing a lot of layering. So we will get into more of the layers that I'm going to be doing. So I want to have a base color, and my base color is the craft. But then I want to have a paper in the background that's not too crazy. And I'm thinking I'm going to use a larger pattern this time. I normally don't do that. But because I want a little bit lighter on the front, I'm going to go ahead and use this in the background, okay? So again, I'm going to cut this at, in fact, I don't even need to pull that out. I'm going to go a little bit shorter at 4 7/8. Okay. Sorry for all the racket. Oh gosh, what's wrong today? Oh my gosh. And 4 7/8. Okay. And before I even put these together, I'm going to go ahead and layer this on top of this card. Okay. And I'm not going to color my edges. I'm okay with, you know, them being white. This is going to be a very primary color card. So, oops. I have cleaned out that thing a couple of times and it's still acting nuts. So, I think I'm going to have to use some chemical cleaners this time to get all the gunk out of there. Maybe Goo Gone, I'm guessing. Because I've been using soap and hot water and it's just not doing the trick. So I'm just going to lay this one right on top. And then I'm going to do another color on top of this. But let me go ahead and glue this on here. Or you can use whatever adhesive you want to. So I'm just going to take the bottom half, and I'm just going to lay it directly on top, lining it up, making sure it's lined up here. Wipe away any excess glue and burnish that in, okay? Make sure there's no glue coming up back here, okay? Because you don't want it to stick. So now it's going to look something like this, okay? The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and glue this base also. You probably don't even need this, but I do like to layer a lot, so that's just me. And it should directly fit right on top there. And move it down a little tad. Move it down a smidge. Okay. And now this card will stand up. But I am going to layer it up even more. But I haven't decided exactly what I'm going to do. So, I do know that I need another color underneath here. And I could keep, oh, I think I might just do that. Let me go ahead. I could either off-center it. Maybe I'll do that. I think we will. Let's try going 4 by 4. Maybe even more. Let me work with the edge that I wasn't working on before. So here's 4. Oops. 5, 4. Okay. And I might just possibly do some more layering. So let me grab some pop dots. And I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and pre-cut some flowers and I just glued them together. And I'll show you the dies that I used real quick. I don't know if I'm going to use all of these, but I did put out the word forever. That is a Cartabella die. It's called the Forever Die Set. I also use a bow bunny, which I know, I'm not sure if they're in business still or not, but this was kind of like a picture camera type thing. I did the La La Land Crafts and Dies. It doesn't say what this one is, but they're just these tiny little flowers right here. So cute, little bubbly ones. And I did some stars. This is from Kaiser Craft. And I think that's it for now. Oh, and I did some like plain circle dies. This was Spellbinders Nest Abilities S's and Sam 4-114. And I used a couple of the smaller ones. And then I just glued the little round pieces back here to make my little Mickey Mouse face. So I did find my pop dots and I went ahead and popped this up. Well, let me do one more so my center isn't all wishy-washy. And I'm thinking I wish I had gone just a tad bit smaller, but I've already put my tape on here, so I'm kind of stuck with what I've got here. But what I'm thinking of doing is taking one of my stars and kind of placing it at an angle. Let me see if that works. Maybe if I go, for some reason, if I go this way, it works a little bit better. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and glue this down. All I want to do is make sure that it's still within the outer edge range, and then burnish that in. Oops. And then I'm going to go ahead and undo this part, take off my backings to my foam dots. Okay, and then kind of like this direction, just going to go ahead, oops, and I'm going to leave a little bit of an edge, so you can see here. Okay, and then I really like this little die cut right here with a film strip. Thank goodness this glue dries clear, so I don't have to worry about it looking crazy. I probably don't need all this glue on here, but I'm going to do it just in case. I don't want to miss anything. Okay. And I'm just going to press down. And I'm still going to leave it popped up, okay? So you don't need to press it down to the edge unless you feel like it. You know, maybe down there. I don't know. I think I'm going to leave it up. It naturally wants to pop up, so I'm just going to leave it. Let's see. We also have a little picture thing. I think that blends in too much. Yeah, blends in way too much. I'm going to see how this looks here. Okay, and I'm just going to, let me see. Should I put them over here? And then I have some die cuts and stickers. Oops. I could put the little popcorn right there. That looks cute. Let's see what I did with my die cuts. I do also have these little guys right here. I don't know if I want to put him down yet because there might be something I can add in here. Maybe the suitcases. I'm gonna see, like, I could cut these suitcases out. I think I'm gonna do that. So let me cut this out and I'll be right back. Guys, why didn't you tell me? I decided to cut out the cupcake. I mean, obviously it's a birthday card. Hello. So I decided to put that in here. And I think this is going to turn out so stinking cute. I love anything Mickey. Let's see. So we got that there. Okay. And also, I have like a little ticket stub. I think I'm going to put a little bit on the back here so that it pops up down here. I should move that up a little. Should I? Oops. Okay. So far it's looking super cute. Okay, so I know this is 5 inches by 2 inches. I'm going to go ahead and put another color down here. And it's got to be something that's going to be matchy-matchy, shall I say. Matchy, but not too matchy. Maybe I'll go with this yellow, which I think I will. All right, let's do that. So I'm going to do 4 7/8 by 1 7/8. And I'm going to pop it up. That way this easel card will stand up better. Okay, I'm just going to lay that down, center it, and lay it down. Looks super cute. So I have a couple things. I have a little sticker that says hooray. I could have put that up here. Let me pop that up a little bit on one side. Ugh, it's going to stick to my fingers, huh? Those are some good stickers. Here we go. It's looking super cute, guys. Look at that. Okay. Now, since I'm handing this to him in person, I could put some flowers here. And I know it won't close. Or I could just stick some randomly up here. Although this is for a boy, maybe. Okay, looks like I'll do just one or two. Maybe I should do this one down here. Another big one. Probably going to need my glue gun for this, and I'm having that feeling. But I'm going to try it without it. Yeah, I think that works. Okay. So now I got to figure out the message I'm going to put down at the bottom. And I actually have some happy birthday cut apart, I believe. Sorry, my stuff is falling all over the place. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to see if I can find that die cut, and I'll be back. Oops, sorry, I thought I was recording, but I just added in the little happy birthday, and this was just a little die that I got from China. You know, no big deal. I got it off Amazon. And then I added another one of the stickers right here, little Mickey Mouse's shorts, and it's so cute. I still haven't decided on whether or not I want this up at the top. I'm kind of thinking I do, the word forever. But if not, it would look like that. I'm not really sure. I think I like the forever on there. I like it when it's full of stuff to look at. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day. Don't forget to follow the links down below that I have in the about box and also the comments. And just make sure you visit Rosa's channel, and then from there on you can catch all the others. So I hope you all have a great day. Bye, y'all. Mwah.